Aloha, Miss Patton here. Today we're going to be talking about setting goals. So the first thing I want to say or ask you is, what is a goal? It's a hard question. What is a goal? So a goal, I have it right here. A goal is something that I want to do, but I can't do it yet. So something that we are still working on, something we're working towards, a goal. So today we're going to be setting 4 goals. How many goals are we going to be setting? 4. That's right. And after we set our goals, I want you to make a plan with your family and just one step for each goal and something you can do to learn your goal or to work towards your goal. And so we'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. So I remember we're going to choose 4 goals and they're right here behind me on the board. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the side and give you your first choice. So here we go. All right. We have naming all our capital letters. That's number 1. Naming all our lowercase letters. That's number 2. Or all of our sounds, and that's number 3. So please choose one of those that you really want to focus on and work towards. Number 1, learning our big letters. Number 2, our little letters. Number 3, our letter sounds. Ask mom or dad to help you write down your choice, or you can record a video and tell me what you're thinking. I would love to see a video with you answering and telling me about your goals. So that's our first goal. Let's move on to goal number 2. So our next choice is right behind me. So I'm going to move out of the way. We have number 4 here, which is words I can sound out. Or number 5 are memory words. Words I just see and I know in my brain. So I'm going to say it again. Number 4, words I can sound out. Or number 5, memory words. I see it and I know it. Which one is your choice? Number 4 or number 5? That's our second goal. We're going to move on to number 3. So for our third goal here, we have 3 choices. This one says, I know all my shapes, my 2D and my 3D shapes. This one is counting to 100 by ones. And this one is counting to 100 by tens. So we have number 6, knowing all our shapes, our 2D and 3D. Number 7, counting to 100 by ones. And last, number 8, counting to 100 by tens. So which is your choice? 6, 7, or 8? And that was our third goal. Now we need number 4. So for number 4, your job is to choose one that we did not choose already, or you could come up with your own goal with your family. So it's up to you. After you get your 4th goal, we need a plan. So what could you do to get to your goal? For example, if you choose your letter sounds, How can you get all of your letter sounds in your brain? Could you practice? And who could you practice with? Maybe you know a game that you can play and you practice when you play that game. Or maybe there's a computer program you use that helps you practice too. Maybe you're going to practice with your mom and you're going to tell your mom your letter sounds. Maybe you want to practice with your dog and tell your dog your letter sounds. Maybe you like to practice when you're in the shower or the bathtub. Let me know when you're going to practice and what you're going to do to try and reach your goal. I remember the more we practice these things, the better we get at them. I also know if we chose to do our letter sounds and words I can sound out, that at first I learn all my letter sounds, then I can use my letter sounds to help me sound out my words. So that could be another type of plan. Your counting could be the same type of thing, or your memory words, doing some practice. Maybe you do flashcards or something like that, or some different ideas. So I can't wait to hear what your goals are and what your ideas are for your plan. So remember, we need 4 goals and at least 1 sentence for each goal that's a plan of how we're going to get there. You can either record yourself on some type of a video like Flipgrid or any video on your phone, or you can have mom and dad write it down and email it to me. Thank you so much for doing this, and I really look forward to the responses. Have a great day. Aloha.